A day with my kids for £13, and this is what we did. Any Hampshire mums with toddlers, then you need to visit Staunton Farm. Under threes are free, babies free, you just pay for yourself. On-site parking, just remember to put your reg in so parking is free. We did pay an extra £1 to get the farm food, which is definitely worth it. It's also buggy friendly, we had 2 prams with us, we had no problem getting around. Had a lovely greeting by this alpaca. The boys found it so funny. We've been here a few times and it's so surprising the amount of different animals they have here. Not just your basic farmyard animals. A piggy here sunbathing, enjoying the sun. The layout is honestly perfect. It's not massive where you have to be constantly chasing them, but there is still so much to do. Outside there's a really big park, and I would say suitable for all sorts of toddler ages. And the best bit is, even if it's raining, they actually have an indoor play bar. There's a little trampoline, there's slides, also for bigger kids. Especially with the English weather, you just never know what the next day is going to be like. There's a lovely little cafe inside, but the weather was so nice, we actually had an outdoor picnic. There's so many picnic benches dotted all over. But if you really wanted to, you could also just sit on the grass. It's so lovely. The cakes also do look very delish. And just in time, Marley needed a toilet break. The toilets are okay, but they are very spacious. We went as 2 mums and 4 kids between us. 2 babies and buggies, and then our toddlers. And actually, it was one of those rare days where we could actually sit down and have a drink and talk. These little rides cost us £2 a go. Honestly, such a chilled out day, and I really recommend it if you've got multiple kids. So save this if you're looking for a new meet-out spot with your friends.